So my name is Kenny Pearl. I am the president and founder of intlx Solutions. I've been with the company since 2015 when we started it. We signed the paperwork for our LLC back in St. Patrick's Day of 2015, and then our first day in business was April 20th on our first job with our customer supporting the Boston Marathon. And since then, I would say that what I've really enjoyed about our company and what makes it special for me coming to work every day is that we're really focused on solving problems, right? So when I come in the morning, we have a team of people, engineers, salespeople, marketing, billing, also technicians, and we're all really focused on helping our customers, right? When our customers call into us, they reach out to interact with us. Our first position is like, hey, how can we help? We're never saying, oh, you called and asked us a question, we're going to bill you for that. This is going to be $200 an hour. That's not how we operate. How we operate is if a customer calls and asks us a question, we are happy to help. We enjoy the technology, we enjoy the engineering, we enjoy the challenge behind it, and really our company is just a big playground for engineers who like to tinker, like to mess around with things, help each other out, and make things better. I'd say what I enjoy the most about our company, what makes us unique really is that at the top level, me as the owner, starting out my career as an engineer, not really in sales, it's a little bit different of a track to get to the ownership level, right? So with me being the owner, being an engineer, I'm keenly focused on the engineering aspects of our business. And a lot of companies like us are not driven that way. They're more driven by sales, revenue numbers, and of course those things are important to any business. In our business, it's not the most important thing. Of course, we need to make money, but also, and if our customers are going to keep coming back and working with us, we have to provide them with the best engineers, the most passionate engineers, and the ones that really care about what they're doing. If we fail to do that, our customers won't stay with us, and I think we understand that. And what makes us unique is that we're at the top level. I'm focused on that. I'm focused on giving the engineers the best training, the best tools, the most secure tools, listening to the engineers, right? When they tell us we need to be doing something, a new offering, new technology, we're all in, we're all about it, right? So we move fast, we move quick, and I think that's one of the things I love the most about coming to work and just seeing what we get to work on that day. A couple of things about me personally, things I like to do for fun. I'm a CrossFit coach. I love doing CrossFit and working out. Fitness is a big part of my life. I'm starting another small home gym business called Lifted Fit for Life. Coach there as well too. I also coach over at Bay State CrossFit. I'm married to my wife Erica. We live down in Kingston, Massachusetts, right near the ocean with our 2 cats, 2 dogs. Enjoying the South Shore life, and we're really happy to be here at our new home in Hingham, Massachusetts for the next 7 years.